What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're back on the hunt for the pike. It's been strangely quiet on the pike front here. I've never seen it this slow before. Whether we hit a weird weather pattern, I'm not sure. This is only our second year coming here in September. Last year was almost the same pike fishing I've ever seen in my life. Total opposite this year. So we're gonna do some working shorelines, checking everything possible, trying to figure out some kind of pattern, where they're at, and see if I can get a giant on the end of my hook. Stick with me, stay tuned, and let's get them. Alright, I'm gonna start with this blue jointed Rapala bait, because it's the right color that we've been seeing pike on. It's big, but big fish, big bait. I'm gonna keep trying to see if this will work. If it doesn't, I'm gonna change up. But let's just give this a few casts and see if there's a giant that wants to eat big. Is there a giant that wants to eat big? The only big pike we've seen, we're all fishing for walleye on little jigs and minnows, so I'm gonna give this a try, but we may have to downsize. We'll see. I want to believe that they'll eat this. I want to believe. I don't know if it's true, but I'm going to spend as much time as I can today just throwing lures. Did the same thing yesterday, came across some pike. It was fun working the shoreline, but I didn't catch anything I would call substantial. I mean, the big pike gotta want a big snack at some point. If I just throw it right on top of them, give them an easy meal placed right in their lap, they should want it. Red and white glide bait might be it. This guy might get me my first giant. I hope that I'm thinking in the right path. Oh, excuse me.
This is good. That's good.
I mean, this lure just looks so deadly, dude. The way it moves in the water, the color, the size, it all screams, eat me, eat me. And I can pause it a little bit in suspense. I am just gonna work this lure and see what happens. Oh, I just had something swipe at it. I didn't see him, but he swiped. He swiped at it. I didn't see how big he was. Upper 20s. He was upper 20s. He's sitting like right in there. He's right there. He's right there. Where he's at, dude. Alright. I got a pile of lures over here just so I can switch quickly. Alright. I got that same lure that I have in red and white. A fire tiger. See if this thing does the trick. I had stabs on it at least. Maybe they want a little pike. Maybe I'll try this for a minute. Maybe a greedy pike will eat another greedy little pike. Only one way to know. This thing moves a little slower. Maybe that'll be the key. They want something that's slow and sluggy. Slow and sluggy. There's a little pike. Skinny, man. Go eat.
Yeah, it's hungry.
I'm just gonna throw small for a little while and see if that's what it is.
I think you've got a good chance with that lure.
Yeah. It rattles, it flashes. Oh! I just got a hit. I just got a hit. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Even a big, see, the thing I like about this lure is everything will bite it. I caught a walleye on it. I know a smallie would eat that. Maybe a big pike is looking for, you know, a minnow-sized bait right now. That's what the pattern seems like to me.
Yeah. I mean, they go for them.
Yeah. All the big pike have been caught, for the most part, fishing for walleye, dude.
Well, I caught one good one.
You caught one good one shoreline fishing, but still, the size of your lure is still minnow-worthy, you know? I haven't seen anything chasing a big lure like the norm.
Not the bigger, better thing.
Well, I think I'm just gonna work this lure all day.
Yeah, I would work that one.
I even caught sauger on this lure. It's like the multi-species utility lure to just cover ground and see what happens. There we go. See?
Small.
Yeah, but still, I caught a fish.
Small is good.
I still caught a fish. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, what are you doing, Nick? All right, well, the Nick the Piker is finding a pike. It's not the big ones, but hey, utility lure may be it. It may be what it is. Let's go. Fish number one of the day. Figuring something out here. Put some slime on my lure. Give it some enticing flavor. Get back at it. Cover ground. That's all we can do. I'm gonna do. That may be it. Slow, sluggy fish. Slow, sluggy fish is what we're dealing with. Yeah, that's what this thing is for right here, baby.
Shallows. This constitutes the shallows.
This lure is so cool, dude. I just enjoy throwing this thing because I can see it. Oh, there we go. See? See? He's not big, but if a little one is eating this thing, why wouldn't a big one eat it? You know? Alright. Alright. Alright, chill, little guy. Snot Rocket Special. Hey, Nick the Piker's catching pike. I could see a giant pike just hanging in 5 feet of water in a big flat like this. It could be anywhere.
Shell is fucking.
Oh, dude. I don't know. I didn't see how big he was, but he just, right as I said that, a shallow flat. So cool. I can see this lure all the way, full cast depth. I can see it the whole way, so I can watch him grab it. It's like, what more do you want? I can change the action of it. It's perfect. It's, well, there's weeds coming up. There's just no way. There's no way. There's not a pike sitting in this. Is that the current pulling it that way?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
I know.
It's like there should be giants sitting back here, dude. When it comes to a bait caster, I've got the advantage because I'm lefty.
That's a painful.
Oh,
You got something?
angry little bastard. Angry little snot rockets, man. Is that a walleye? No. Another angry snot rocket eating a big ass lure. Another angry little snot rocket, man. Where are the big ones at?
You're throwing the right lure, dude. 'Cause they're
Yeah, they're hitting it. Maybe a big
Smaller ones, dude. Oh.
And I just got him. All right.
That was cool. Little figure 8.
Yeah. He came right back.
That's encouraging.
Yeah.
And a follow and a figure 8 hook.
There you go.
That was encouraging.
It was awesome. But he wasn't fighting, dude. Like a normal fight that you would get.
He made no runs.
He made no runs. He just kind of just put his weight into it and stayed on the bottom.
Yeah.
Alright. I finally caught a nice pike. I wonder if I didn't have my camera rolling for that, dude. Alright, I'm just gonna throw a hunk of metal with some paint on it, basically. I should have distance with that. Oh yeah, it's long gone. As soon as it hit the water, dude. As soon as it hit the water, I had a fish. I went to reel the slack out and hunk of metal, dude. Ooh, now he's feeling like he's caught. That might be another big smallie, dude. Literally, as soon as it hit the water, I had a fish on, dude. I hooked him a mile away.
You like his size?
Oh, might be a big walleye, dude. Or a big smallie.
Take another 25.
It is a big walleye, dude.
Yeah, cool.
All right. What did I say when we were coming over here? Big walleye are over there. Yeah. It's a nice walleye. It's probably in the 20s somewhere.
It's an eater.
Let's see what he measurements.
19, 20.
19 and a half. Let him go, huh?
Yeah. Cool. That was fun.
Well, that's it for the first half of our day, the morning fish. I made some progress finally. Caught my first pike of the trip, over 30 inches, and by the looks of him, looks like they had a rough summer. He was skinny, his head was big, 31 inches, but his body was real skinny. He was real lethargic, didn't put up much of a fight, just kind of stayed on the bottom. And they're biting on smaller stuff, so I've learned something there. And then I caught a decent walleye by the dam. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the afternoon fishing in the next episode. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.